Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond. And yesterday when I made the video, the stock was hovering around $1.13. If you are my regular viewer, you know this, that I have these levels that I have been following from almost 1 month and a half now. And you could check out my previous videos. And we started off really good. And then all the demand started disappearing because they started diluting the stock so much that, it's not giving any breathing room to survive right now. The stock is just tumbling, it's coming down. Yesterday, when it was at $1.13, if you have not seen my video for yesterday, you could check it out. I was mentioning that there were some buyers here, but there were sellers here. But it looks like the buyers, even though they try to breathe and they try to bring up, there was 2.6 million shares were bought in this 15-minute period. Even then, that could not sustain the level. And the seller won, and the stock is heading down to $1, it seems. Now, again, as I said, this was confirmed that Hudson Bay is the counterparty that purchased the warrants, and they gave them another $100 million. And I also covered that video, talked to you guys how much Hudson Bay has paid per share, which I think it's about 10 cents per share. So they are money, okay? Bed Bath & Beyond needed money. They had the cash. They can make profit. They can make almost at that point 90 cents per share. So they were good. So everybody, it's a win-win situation. Now, there's another thing that I don't want to stir up a controversy, but now I'm starting to think that, if the CEO already knows, I think the company's going bankrupt. Let's get that right, okay? In my opinion, the company is not going to make it. Financially, they are done. So there's not a matter of a question like when they go out, like when they're going to go bankrupt. And I think they're just, getting their dollar right. Like they're going to get this, $1 billion because they know that retail investors are on top of this. Just the way we are being used for Mullen stock, same way for Bed Bath & Beyond. And this is, again, not a stir up a controversy. This is what I think. And of course, you don't have to agree with that. But I don't know. I'm starting to feel that maybe they're just trying to get that $1 billion. Hudson Bay is going to make $101.5 billion because they are selling these stocks for a lot more than what they got it for. And retail investors are going to think the stock is going to have a short squeeze, which it seems to be far off right now, because if you have a guy with an inventory sitting down, I don't think you'll be able to see a squeeze, okay? You will see manipulations a little bit, like it will go up a couple of cents, like 30 cents, 20 cents, or maybe 10 cents, 15 cents, just to lure in the people that, okay, it's about to take off, and then, they'll shut it down and then, get the dollar rights. But I do think it could be, look, they know that stock is going out. They know we're done with this company trying to get that $1 billion, right? And it's a win-win situation, okay? Liquidate whatever we have in the stores. They're closing a lot of stores right now. So, I'm just saying, like, I'm just thinking outside the box right now, because at this point, the way the stock is steady coming down, and I do feel the stock is about to go down to 88 cents, which is, again, from 1992. This level was established in 1992, and the traders that was trading this stock at this point, to be honest, probably not going to be alive at this point, right? So I'm not sure how good this level is going to be, because the levels are only good when they're recent, okay? Recent in a sense, like at least, a 1 year back, maybe you could think about it. But 1992, I don't know. It's going to be rough. But anyway, I do think the stock is heading down, and I don't think they will manipulate it. I don't think they will let it go all the way down to like 50 cents right now. If you catch a momentum, that's what you're looking for. But again, my advice is, personally, I'm only trading the stock, okay? I'm looking out for any squeeze that we get, any couple of cents that we could get. Depending on how many shares you're getting, you can make a good buck if it goes 20 cents. But investment for this company, I don't think I'm ready for that right now, okay? Because I do feel the company might be out end of this year. Again, I could be wrong. It's all speculation. And the way this is happening, the way the whole thing's unfolding right now, is just I'm losing kind of faith on the stock right now. So hope you guys are taking these levels are very important right now, because these are not just levels that I draw up. I came up, we put these levels together as my daily subscribers. They watch this video. We put these levels together, and they mean a lot, okay? This is actually price action levels. And this you won't get from anywhere. This is what established from past month and a half. And this is how the stock is doing. Okay. So very important. These levels are. Definitely check them out. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do consider subscribing. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.